We will probably replace the word agile with something else in a few years, but the principles will remain the same. This was famously said by Carl Storendal in his Agile in the Zone interview in San Diego. I can highly recommend to watch the whole interview. Click the link up here. But now, let's not waste any more time and see what's behind the 7th wicket. Have you ever noticed the 3 dots at each iteration? This opens a menu where you can view the iteration as an overview, sort the stickies in this iteration, or synchronize this one iteration again with your ALM tool.